Good afternoon. Is my voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last session we discussed about DSCP through the routers. Okay. Today we discuss about DSCP and DNS through server. Okay. What is the DSCP? DSCP is the procedure and quality of the router automatic allotment to the host IP. Okay. Last session we already doing a DSCP through the router. So here already working just by the through command. But in the real world, there is a lot of issue because router main work is the communication from own network to another network. Okay, just like there, from own network to outer network. Okay, from Aditya PC to Uma PC, Ramesh PC, outside any other switch. Okay, so it is the main function of the router, and all other function is the secondary function. What is the important and feature of the router? But in the real world, a lot of load is given the router because router is a very costly device up to many lakh rupees. So we just secure the router, use server facility. Server facility means we use of the computer PC and help of the software. Such types of work perform. Okay, one server is installed in the network, help of the software, and install in the server PC, and this is a server PC perform the additional duties like DSCP, DNS, and additional types of your like AAA server, like proxy server, DSCP server, web server. Okay. So today just we go for a practical directly, then we'll explain more. LTTC Ghaziabad network is already DSCP done by the router, LTTC router. Today design a right side, BSNL ISP. Just remove this. Okay, how to remove? Just cross. If the question asks yes and no, the first select no and cross this cable. Okay, and just make some one more switch. Take switch, put here, and also connect this. Now connect this Wi-Fi to this switch. Okay, this Wi-Fi is not connected to this network, and this Wi-Fi is connected to the this switch. Okay, I just change the network. Okay, and one another cable switch, and this switch to this computer. Okay. Here some server also used. Click on the computer, and there's a laptop. Second is the first is the computer, second is the laptop, and third is the server. Okay, just click on this PC server. One PC. I think we take 3 server. Okay. First server, you just one more important point about the server is that server PC IP is always static. In the world, there are 2 things where never given dynamic IP. One is the router port, and another is the server PC. Okay. In this case, this server just DSCP server. Okay, and never static IP. You can put here one IP for this 10 dot 10 dot. This is the 20 series, so 20.5. Okay, slash 24. Here just one server taken, and IP a lot. Just one. Okay. Another PC DNS server. I explain later what is the DNS. And this is again server is definitely there is no dynamic IP, DHCP IP. So you can take here one IP plus 20.10. Okay. And third one is that one is a web server. Okay. Web server and IP 10.10.20.11. Okay, no problem. Okay, this is the planning server. Now assume there is the in network of the ISP BSNL service Rajnagar. There are three servers. One server is the DHCP server. As for availability of the IP address, we just one allot IP 20.5, and another is the DNS server 20.10 and the web server 20.11. This IP we can imagine full of the IP and verbally fixed there. Okay, and then now take wire, straight wire. This is a computer also. Just click here and connect to the switch. Another connect the switch. Okay, another one more. Disconnect the. Okay. So by default, this is also computer, and like a computer, it is also connected, but this is a server. Symbol is different, and normal computer is different. Why symbol of the server is different? Very simple. In normal computer, you can see there is no software, but in the server PC, you have a lot of software like as per a DHCP, DNS, web server. Okay, so this is symbol wise different. In the private organization, IT company purchase campus placement of various guy, and then give the opportunity to develop the software, and this software purchased by the BSNL like ISP and other company Reliance Tata also. And for example, in India, TCS, you are very popular, known about the TCS. TCS 70% in India, not overall in India. I just discuss about India. 70% software purchase of the PCS in India by the BSNL. So definitely BSNL is not only 1 lakh employees, is also TCS employees. They are sadly dependent on BSNL. Wipro, Virlasoft, another company like Mahindra Tech. So a lot of IT software development company, their maximum software purchased by the BSNL is no doubt. Another like communication company Reliance Tata also. Okay. So IT company or private organization, they will develop such type of software, and BSNL, Reliance Tata, that telecommunication IT services company purchase that software and install the PC and annually payment of the license or renewal of the license agreement. Okay. यहाँ तक अगर हो जाए तो आगे बताइए. If you are all doing such, then we can move. आगे बढ़े हम लोग. मैसेज करते रहिए जैसे जैसे होता रहे. Only Rahul is messaging. Other are Ashu, Shamir, Giri, Anil. Okay, no problem. I just wait, then we go ahead. Godwin, very nice. Ronak also done. The next step of after decision making, which types of software for what IP. First with the DHCP server. So this planning की DHCP server IP is the 10.10.20.5, which is outsider planning. Now required this IP allot inside this server. So just click on the server and go to the desktop. As per our planning, here allotment IP. What is the planning IP? 10.10.20.5. Okay. Then subnet mask /24, definitely 255. Oh, sorry. Again type 255.255.255.0, and gateway, definitely it is a gateway for all either router computer. This is a gateway router code. That's the 20.1. Okay. So 10.10.20.1, and the DNS server are now in your network. DNS server is also available. So definitely we put IP address of the DNS server 10.10.20.10. Okay, this is the DNS server. Okay, earlier previous our working, there is no DNS server, so hence we not put any DNS server ID. But in this case, in this network, DNS server is also you making here. So definitely ensure DNS server IP address also allowed. Okay. So 10.10.20.5, this is the DHCP server, subnet mask, gateway, and also DNS server. Now the next is a computer is that DNS server. Again, click here, go to desktop, and put here 10.10.20.10. Okay. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0, gateway 10.10.20.1. Okay. Now question is that it is a DNS server. Okay. So is required DNS server own IP here? Yes or no? यह खुद ही DNS सर्वर है, क्या इसको DNS सर्वर की IP देना जरूरी है? Because it is a self DNS, this is self DNS, so definitely DNS server IP allotted, yes या no? कौन रिस्पॉन्स करेगा इसके लिए? सौनक, आपको क्या लगता है कि ये DNS सर्वर है, तो क्या इसको बताने की जरूरत है कि तुम DNS सर्वर हो, यस या नो? ऐसा क्यों? जो भी रीजन आपका आंसर होगा.
सर एक तो अलॉट हो चुका है सर, फिर कंफ्यूजन है सर, बोल नहीं पाऊंगा सर.
थोड़ी बहुत कंफ्यूजन है कि दिया जाए नहीं दिया जाए. ठीक है
जी सर.
just okay. Godwin Robbie, what are you think about this? Yeah, just tell me कि it is the DNS server, so is IP allotted here to mention DNS server column की 10.10.10 is mention, yes or no? If mention, तो why? आदित्य, one story I think all of you remember in the childhood time. One धोबी होता है ना, कपड़ा धोने वाला मन, ठीक है. So he go to the river with the 10 donkey, and when return back, to just sit one on donkey, and counting start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But 10 not count because he already seated on the 10. Where the 10th number donkey. So similar behavior is here. Any, not only any computer, any electronic device, it may be they perform such duty, but it is not mentioned that you are also same for this. Otherwise they are confused. आप जैसे कंप्यूटर में भले DNS का काम कर रहा है, लेकिन अगर आप इसको DNS का IP नहीं दोगे तो कंफ्यूज रहेगा. जब इसको बता दोगे कि तुम ही हो, तो they will accept. Okay. So always remember कि DNS IP आप उसी तरह से देंगे. This is a behavior of human, just like human. Okay. Always remember, definitely never blank. And the third one is the web server. Go to the desktop, IP lot 10.20.11, subnet mask 255 dot last 24 na, that 255 Gateway is just like computer, all are the same. 10.10.20.1 and DNS server 10.10.20. DNS is that means 10. Okay. Now this is the allotment of IP. It is very similar, look like computer. यहाँ तक हो गया आपको अभी का?
सर एक बार डीएनएस का फिर से दिखा दीजिएगा।
देखिए अगेन डीएनएस सेम। ओके आगे बढ़े, मैसेज कर दीजिए फटाफट। जस्ट मैसेजिंग इफ यू डन देन वी गो अहेड। ओके अदरवाइज आई कंफ्यूज कि आर यू क्या डन?
हो गया सर, हो गया।
ठीक है, यस नाउ गो अहेड। Now to how to perform DNS. This access point now available with this network. So if you go to tablet, check the desktop, again try. So this is a fail because there is no DNS server active here. DNS server is making here but not activated. So this is the wrong IP. Okay, fail. Either you go to the smartphone, again go click here. So this is a IP is a fail. Okay. Okay, now I want to work DHCP, how to work. Okay, so just it is very similar. We purchase it DHCP, sorry, server PC. First purchase server PC and install in the network just like here. Allotment of static IP. Third is that software purchased by the TCS, Reliance, TCS, Wipro like company and installed in your this server. As a similar like just packet tracer, MS Office, there is no any special types of installation. Generally purchased by the licensed software for which company? TCS, Reliance, TCS, Mahindra Tech, Wipro, log any software company. Okay, and install in this PC. So this is the simulator. It's already here software installed. Okay, just click on this simple computer. You go to the config. There is a nothing, and there is no service option is here. If in go to the server PC and go to the config, same, but there is service option is also. If you some software directly service provision also here. Okay, it may be I given to you software directly click on config. A lot of options like STP, DSTP, these all are software. Due to indication, this is the server PC. So already such type of software installed in this PC. What required? Just setup required. Software development is not our need. Our just purchase software installed in the computer and then installed. Then okay. So now for this DHCP server, click here. Go to the service, either this is the other config. In your PC, it's going by the config. Okay. And for what? DHCP. Click on DHCP. One most important in DHCP, very important point. Never service on before configuration of DNS services. Never service on DHCP like after before configuration. First, never do this on. First we configure and then go. That is simulator. Each and every done single pop-up. But in the real world, you just installation of the software. Suppose you install the software in the MS Windows. So there are some icon on your desktop computer. Click on this icon and page is open. And then page open. The first question is that what is the gateway? So in this case, gateway is the 10.20.1. Okay. And second question is the what is the DNS? Okay. So DNS server already defined 10.10.20.10. Okay. Now then, third is next button, Chris. Now move to next further. What is the start IP? Now it in your hand. You want to start IP from 10, 11, 13, 14. It is your completely your hand. If I start here 100, so definitely from 1 to 99 reserve. 1 to 99 by default reserve. Subnet mask 25525 is okay. Now 1 to maximum user. If you put not any here, the digit. So by default, your software automatically adjusts number of users. Okay. But I decided only 50. So only you in your network, only 50 computer laptop you connected to the this network by help of DSP. Okay. Now this is the service first add. After this servicing adding, then service for on, and then again save. Okay. So first the setup and then start and okay. If your work done, then we'll inform you. Okay. If done, okay, Sonak already done. Now check this mobile phone and again here and check it. Okay. Now I just start 100 automatically here. Another tablet, click here again 101. Okay. And another is that computer. Here is the static IP, now click DHCP allotment. Go for one mobile phone. Already mobile phone allotted. Tablet be allotted. But always remember, you don't never put this server is a static IP. Keep in the mind, the static IP server never allotted. We can never allot to any static IP to the server. Keep in the mind. There is a two location, there never IP is the static. One is the router port and another is the server port. Now this computer is work DHCP through server. Okay, just I save this project. I think all are done. Any problem? Very nice, very nice. Working, each and everyone working. Anyone can share your laptop PC. If I make you have and you can share this. Anuj, okay, all are done. Very nice, wonderful. Okay, so that means now we go for ready for the DNS server. Okay, what is the DNS? I think each and everyone working properly. So what is the DNS? Now go for DNS. Domain name server. Sometimes service. Sometimes system. No problem. Okay. Another name of the DNS is the Internet Telephone Directory. What is the telephone directory? In old time, very important telephone directory. If anybody installed a landline phone at home, so BSNL that time only company, so they provided telephone directory. For example, I think all are very well know about Indian movie like Hera Fairy, each and every one. There is a Star Garage, Kabira speaking in the movie. Actually, in the telephone directory, there is the two things. One side is the telephone number, and respective telephone number detail of that person name and address. Okay, so in the if you have a name of that person and address, you very easily find out what is the telephone number. If your telephone number not you have any idea about that person name and address, so just you call 191. One telephone number is already earlier very everybody know, like police number is 100, ambulance number is 101. So similarly 191 is a very popular number. So you call the 191 just like call center, and you can ask कि Mr. Vikas Kumar, Mr. Sonak, please this mobile number of Mr. Sonak, please provide him address. So 191 they easily explain कि what is the address of Mr. Sonak. If you have only Mr. Sonak, so just 191 call and telling that customer call center person, okay, I want to Sonak and telephone number, please give the address. So he's searching there a lot of Sonak 4 or 5, 6, 7. So already all 4 telephone number given to that desired person, and that person calling it one by one, actually find out where is Mr. Sonak. So this is basically telephone directory, same like internet telephone directory, the DNS. DNS is very similar. How to work? Last some days we are working with the IP this network. That's one point is very clear. Without IP address, we can't communicate any device in the current time. If I want to communicate one device to another device, definitely remote device have IP address and own also IP address. Without IP address, you can't communicate. IP address is a very basic need of any types of data communication. The first point is that. So, but in the real world, you and I, nobody can open any website via IP address. You are just type www.facebook.com, www.icicibank.com. Just bank name, just Facebook name, and then we calling. Then we go, open the website. Okay, nobody can directly open through IP address each and every. So that means in our network, one PC or one server is that for that. That resolve website address correspondence, what is the IP address in the DNS. This is the DNS server. DNS server is that it is also quality of the router. In the router use of the command, and in the server here already you are working. So in the server, software install purchased by the TCS like company, install your laptop and DNS service on, and in the DNS service you just put two names. One is the website name and another column is the correspondence IP address. Okay. So in my network, one website, this is the web server. Suppose this web server is the www.samir.com. Okay. Suppose this is the samir.com. Okay. This is the website of the Samir. Another is the www.rahul.com. Okay. This is like, okay. So this is the website of, okay. In this case, okay. So already IP address of this website is the 20.11. Okay. Again here for modified and 20.11. Okay. So now go to the in the server, DNS server. Now how to install? In the real world, purchase this software by the company, install your PC, and just like DHCP, some configuration here required. So go to the in your config either service and go to the here DNS. Where is the DNS? This is DNS. In DNS, you can service on off anytime. There is no bar. Only DHCP, keep in the mind, service on after installation. Any other types of services for the server, you can directly first on, then we can work, no problem. Okay. Now go for this service on, no problem. First I on here. Okay. Then after name www. Here is the website rahul.com. Rahul.com. Okay. And what is the address? 10.10.20. Now it's 11. No, 11 is what? Yeah, 11. Okay, add here. So in my DNS software, the DNS server, one record is here, just like telephone directory. Rahul.com IP address here. Another www. Another one more is that Samir. Yes, AMWR, Samir.com. Okay. Same IP address, one server, you have a lot of IP, no problem. Okay. 10.10.20.11. Okay, add. In network, this okay. So this is the just installation service on. Okay. There too. Now go to the this mobile phone. I want to open website. Okay. How to? Any mobile phone, this computer, laptop, go to the website, web browser, and here type the website address. I have two website address in our DNS. One is the www.rahul.com and another is the www.samir.com. So I just put that address is not available in my DNS server. Basically, what happened again here? I just put here IP address in place of IP address website name. So this computer go for DNS server. First go DNS. DNS server inform ki what is the IP address, then come back and that is the go that. So this is the path. Okay. In computer, go desktop, this is DNS server is that. Okay. So now just click on this mobile phone, click here, go to the www, suppose kksy.com. Okay. But in my DNS, there is no kksy.com. So what happened in this case? Your mobile phone information go to DNS deny. So in this case, click here, host name unresolved. DNS, I don't know what is this. But if I put here www.samir.com, okay. Now just interface. This is phone page is open. So now I think you are very well understand what is the DNS. In any computer at home, any minimum IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS. DNS is must be requirement. Okay. But in the real world, in my computer, I can't put across the whole world IP address and their website address. Not possible in a single computer. In this case, all DNS server connected to each other. Suppose in my LTC here and in Ghaziabad, just in my PC, I go to the here, go detail here. So click here. So you can see here, IP address is that, IP subnet here, and gateway here. It is a real PC, my PC. Okay. I also DHCP server 10.10.13 and DNS, also another DNS server is that same PC. So in my PC, 10.10.130 is the server PC here for AAA. So I just this server used for three purpose: DNS server, DHCP servers also. But in my PC, I have not 100% whole across the world IP address and their website. So I have one alternate DNS IP 281. This is the BSNL main headquarter IP. Sometime we can put, just again go to properties. If you go for manually allotment of IP, now here click here IP, then and then here the one IP is our local IP, alternate is the other side. So you can in India the very smart people, so they sometimes put here in a 8.8.8 because this is the Google DNS server. Each and every known Google is a very big search engine in the world, and definitely every data is available there. If our own DNS server is not available, so direct go to DNS server. If I given the alternate DNS server and go to DNS definitely he got, and he just come back. And one time in my DNS server, software automatically recognize and remember in database. Okay, एक बार जाएगा उस DNS सर्वर पे, उससे जब अपने कंप्यूटर में वापस आ जाएगा तो अपने कंप्यूटर में अपने आप रिकॉर्ड में आ जाएगा ये. Okay, so this is the DNS. Hopefully you are all very well understand what is the DNS. Okay. If I computer in this put, there is a manually If I here again put 10.10.20.10, okay, put here DNS IP, no? In this case, again type wrongly, dn dot 10.20. Actually, DNS server this side not available, another also available. So in this case, if I put this in this PC, if I click here and here, I just www.rahul.com. Okay, rahul.com. Okay, just here put. Okay. Initially it takes time, but after some time is open. Again I try. This packet is working, yes or no? I progress. Okay. Okay. Now try. www.rahul. Okay. Okay. rahul.com. Okay. Again wrong. Sorry. Completely wrong. rahul.com. rahul.com. You go to and check in the DNS server. No, rahul.com. Rahul. Okay. I just modified, na? rahul.com. Okay. Save. Okay. First is wrongly written. Now is open. Desktop. www. Right one. rahul.com. Okay, this is open. If you are all done very easily, please message me and enjoy. Thank you. Any question? कुछ पूछना हो तो पूछिए. अब आपको आप नेटवर्क में परफेक्ट हो गए. ऑल आर द परफेक्ट बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ नेटवर्क. नेटवर्क में क्या क्या होना चाहिए? आईपी अलॉटमेंट. यस श्रीविद्या, यस टेल मी. आई थिंक टुडे यू आर लेट. Any question you can ask, no problem. I share this today's video in group, okay? No problem. If anyone missed this video, so after half hour, this video through YouTube available in the group, no problem, okay? If any question you can't, any not understand, please ask me. Anuj Kumar, you are done very well. Deepak, now Rahul is okay. And Rahul, what about Rahul? Rahul, आपकी क्या स्थिति है? अपने वेबसाइट को खोल पाए या नहीं पाए? समीर ने कर लिया. वेरी नाइस. समीर डन. Tomorrow my topic is the IP phone. Rahul done, Giri done, Samir done, Anil done, very nice. It's okay. I think each and every can do very well. If anybody missed this session today, don't worry about this. I just share this after 15 minutes. I think 15 minutes it will be take. I share this video today in your group, in WhatsApp group. You can see and again, and then enjoy. If any question, you can ask me.
Sir, tomorrow class time?
कल क्लास टाइम बताना है. कल दिन कौन सा है? व्हाट इज द डे?
Yes, sir.
व्हाट इज द डे? 25. नहीं, दिन कौन सा है 25 को? कल थर्सडे तो नहीं है? थर्सडे आज है कल है?
कल थर्सडे सर.
Okay, okay. It's okay. Tomorrow is no class because the Thursday is some important meeting with our, no?
Okay, so फिर सर फ्राइडे होगी?
Or I don't want to have secret revision. Okay, no problem.
फ्राइडे को होगी सर?
हाँ, फ्राइडे को होगी.
ठीक है, ओके सर.
नहीं, अच्छा कि आपने पूछ लिया. आधे घंटे.
हाँ सर, वही पूछ लेते हैं, बेटर रहता है.
हाँ, नहीं नहीं, ठीक है. मैं इसको अभी मैं मैसेज कर ही देता हूँ आप लोग को ग्रुप में. तो मैं वीडियो शेयर कर देता हूँ. कल थोड़ा सा बिजी है. आईपी.
हेलो सर. हेलो सर.
हाँ, बोलो बोलो.
सर यहाँ होस्ट नेम अनरिजॉल्व्ड आ रहा है सर.
वेयर इज होस्ट नेम? हेलो, आप कहाँ के लिए पूछ रहे हो? आपकी आवाज कट गई. प्लीज रिपीट क्वेश्चन. आपको होस्ट बनाना है, क्या करना है? आवाज नहीं आई, मैसेज कर दीजिए. जो भी पूछना. एक्चुअली पावर कट हो गया, यूपीएस पे चल रहा है, आपकी आवाज नहीं सुन रही. आपने क्या बोला था होस्ट के लिए?
सर होस्ट नेम अनरिजॉल्व्ड आ रहा है सर.
होस्ट नेम अनरिजॉल्व आ रहा है. आपको मैं वो बनाऊं, क्या बोलते हैं?
नहीं सर, नहीं होगा सर, नहीं होगा सर, नहीं होगा सर.
वो नहीं हो
होस्ट मत
पाएगा.
बनाइए.
तो आप मुझे ये
नहीं हो.
बताइए कि आपने सारा जो जैसे अभी स्क्रीन पे मेरा वाला शेयर हो गया कि नहीं? मेरा वाला दिख रहा है आपको? हाँ, आ
हाँ
गया
दिख
होगा.
रहा है सर, दिख रहा है सर.
हाँ, एक्चुअली लाइट नहीं आ रही, लेकिन अभी नेट चल रहा है. ठीक है. तो अभी आपका जो है, अभी कहाँ से खोल रहे हो आप? इसमें खोल रहे हो अपने इसमें टैबलेट में? आप यहाँ पे चेक करो व्हाट इज आईपी. अगर मान लो टैबलेट से ओपन कर रहे हो तो
ओपन किए सर.
चेक करो फर्स्ट ना. क्लोज कर देते हैं. मैं दोबारा शेयर करता हूँ, थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो गया. अब आएगा. ठीक है. अब मैं इसको अगर मान लो टैबलेट क्लिक करता हूँ, आप यहाँ पे चेक करो. यहाँ पे आईपी एड्रेस क्या दिखा रहा है आपका? नॉट. आपने सेम नेटवर्क बनाया है?
हाँ जी, सेम बनाया सर.
आपका यहाँ पे क्या दिखा रहा है?
वही सेम है सर.
ये पूरा उसमें ये आपका ये डीएनएस
सर 10 सर लास्ट में 101 103 दिखा रहा है मेरा सर. आईपी एड्रेस में लास्ट.
इट डजंट मैटर, इट डजंट मैटर. आप ये बताओ डीएनएस सर्वर की आईपी
बाकी सारा का सारा सेम है, सेम है सर,
सेम है.
सेम है सर.
और आप डीएनएस सर्वर आपका अगर इसे क्लिक करो और इसको डेस्कटॉप पे जाओ, इसकी आईपी आपने डायनेमिक तो नहीं कर दी गलती से? चेक करो. क्या हुआ, कई बार होता है ना, जल्दीबाजी में लोग डीएचसीपी दबा देते हैं, हो जाता है.
हाँ स्टैटिक है सर.
आईपी चेक है, बिल्कुल सही है. यही है आपका आईपी 10 डॉट. यहाँ पे भी और नीचे भी.
नहीं सर, लास्ट में
जो यहाँ पे होना चाहिए नीचे भी होना चाहिए. सही है.
हाँ अब ठीक है. हाँ मेरा गलती था, यहाँ पे लास्ट में 10 है. ठीक है, ठीक है, अब ठीक है सर. ठीक है सर.
अगर ये ठीक है तो आगे बोलूं?
हाँ आगे बोलिए.
ठीक है.
ठीक है सर.
आप इसमें जाओ, डीएनएस के अंदर जाके चेक करो. यहाँ पे चेक करो आपने क्या दिया हुआ है. और ये भी चेक कर लेना, ये जो आपका वेबसाइट है इसको आईपी अलॉट किया कि नहीं. जैसे क्लिक करोगे ना वेब सर्वर पे, तो ये आईपी 11 यहाँ होना चाहिए, सारी चीजें यहाँ होनी चाहिए. ठीक है. फिर इसके बाद डीएनएस को क्लिक करके गो टू द डीएनएस एंड चेक हियर. ये चीज यहाँ पे सही है या नहीं है. कोई गलती होने की संभावना नहीं है. अभी आप चेक कर लो, जो गलती है आप खुद बता दो क्या गलती है.
बाकी तो सब ठीक ही लग रहा है सर, एक ही है.
समस्या समाधान हुई?
जी सर, जी सर.
बता दीजिए, मुझे पता नहीं चलेगा. बाकी किसी और
जी
को
सर,
कुछ
जी सर.
पूछना हो?
डन सर, हो गया.
ठीक है, वेरी नाइस. हो गया, बहुत अच्छी बात है. ठीक है, फिर मिलते हैं कल आप लोगों के लिए. ठीक है ना. आपका सेशन ओवर. आपका मैसेज ग्रुप में परसों आपकी क्लास होगी. और आईपी फोन पे होगा। जो आज का सेशन इसका वीडियो मैं भी थोड़ी देर में शेयर कर देता हूँ। थैंक यू। जो लोग छूट गए हैं फिर से दोबारा देख लेंगे।